whether or not there are specific SOPs as of today, I'm not sure, but we can find out.
Health Minister Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdor yesterday inaugurated the first Hans Renal Care Centre in Eastern West Khasi Hills District at the Tirat Memorial Civil Hospital, Mairang. This centre was funded through the Pradhan Mantri National Dialysis Programme, and with this centre, people can now avail dialysis treatment and other healthcare services. Furthermore, the minister also inaugurated a new labour room including the ultrasound room and patient ward. Mairang MLA Met Bak Lingdor and other dignitaries were also present during the inauguration.
To the Hans Foundation for the commendable efforts that you have put in to operationalize the dialysis center here in the Tirat State Memorial Hospital. The state government will leave no stone unturned. We are committed. We want to leave this message boldly. That whatever it is and whatever it takes, we have to ensure that our work, our actions will speak louder than words.